Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to fix messenger chat heads. Watch till the end to know about technique, and please click on subscribe and notification bell to not miss any update from us. So to fix messenger chat heads, you have to just go to your settings here. You have to go to your apps, and now you can look for your messenger. We have to click on messenger here. We have to click on permissions. We have to grant the access to all these stuffs here, and we have given the permissions here. And now we can go to our messenger here, and now we can click on top left of this section, and now we can see our chat heads. We have to click it on, and this will be it. By doing this, you can fix your messenger chat heads, and as you can see, this type of chat head will appear on your screen. And there is another way to fix messenger chat heads. You can just click on messenger and do uninstall it and again reinstall it. And if you guys find this video helpful, then you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.